Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm starting part 3 of my Montepulciano vlog at one of my favorite spots, Cafe Poliziano. This classic cafe was founded in 1868, and to me it's the perfect place to sip a classic cappuccino and get my day going. Right now it's July, and the days have been very hot, so the theme to this video is me looking for shady spots to eat, drink, and cool off. So it's so hot, I really can't spend a lot of time outside. So I'm going to get lunch at Gattavecchi winery, which I'll show you in a second. And then after I eat, I'm probably gonna go back inside and just watch Netflix and try to wait until it gets cooler because it's so hot. So here's the Osteria on the side of the church, and there's a beautiful patio, so hopefully I'm gonna have my lunch here and enjoy it. I'm standing in the wine cellar of the Gattavecchi Cantina, which is located under Santa Maria de Servi, a 14th century church. So I'm here in the Gattavecchi winery, and look at how deep it goes. So I'm gonna go down here and see what's around the corner, but I'm a little nervous. I feel like I'm going down into an Egyptian tomb or something. You can actually feel it getting colder. Oh wow. I think this is like an Etruscan tomb. So this is peachy con alione garlic and tomato sauce. We have a salad and Vernaccia di San Gimignano. This is real Tuscan cooking with fresh, local ingredients. I also love the chocolate gelato, which had an amaretto and espresso core inside. Right now I'm enjoying some local Vino Rosato at the Vino Nobile Consortium. This cantina offers self-service pours of local Montepulciano labels and comes with views of San Biagio. Check out part 1 of this series to see the inside. One of my favorite dinner spots in Montepulciano is Osteria Del Borgo. This restaurant offers elevated Tuscan cuisine in a romantic setting. I had gnocchi and the wild boar stew, plus a beautifully crafted charcuterie board. I also want to give a shout out to my friend Francesco, who hooked me up with the terrace view. He runs his own wine club, and if you're interested, I will link it in the description below. In case you were wondering what Montepulciano Cemetery looks like, here it is. I took students here to do a class project and definitely burned some calories in the process with a steep incline. Because the roads here are so steep, it can be easy to twist your ankle, so make sure you have very good walking shoes. Here is Lucciban Le Stelle, another great spot for a spritz. The bread is perfect. The salami is really good, pretty salty, but it's also like chewy. The onions are super sweet, which is great. And yeah, the pecorino's pretty strong, but I love pecorino cheese, so good sandwich. Now for the grand finale, dinner at the Logge del Vignola. The Logge has won numerous awards and is Michelin Star rated. This experience did not disappoint and was truly one of the best meals of my life. If you love wine, the Logge offers bottles from every region in Italy. We were treated to complimentary Prosecco, and then I ordered a 2010 vintage Cabernet from the island of Sardinia. My first course was this Norwegian salmon, which reminded me of really fresh sushi and was so flavorful. Wow. For the second course, I ordered tagliata steak that was cooked to perfection with smoked goat cheese and grilled vegetables. You'll also see in the back the waiter is serving peachy with black garlic that was steamed to perfection. That looks really good.
Oh, get it, yeah.
It has a chocolate roll with pistachio mousse, pineapple with vanilla, mango, and absolute.
Sorry if it was a little hard to hear the waitress, but this dessert was a chocolate ball with a pistachio mousse filling that sat on top of pineapple and mango. They then flambéed it with absinthe so it melted almost like a chocolate pudding. The combination of melted chocolate with fresh fruit made this one of the best desserts I've ever had. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my favorite places in Montepulciano. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more adventures. You can also catch parts 1 and 2 of this series on my channel. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.